My name's Luke and I come from a small town called Carnarvon in North Wales. I'm a chef by trade, but in my spare time I like to come up with weird and wonderful business ideas. This time, to keep me motivated, I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So sit down, relax, and let's build a business together. Hi there, it's been quite a while since I made my last video. It's been the summer holidays and being a chef I've been very busy working. So in this video I'll be having a little bit of a harvest. I'll be showing you the tomato plants that I've been growing, and then we'll give you a look at the new summer house, and then we'll sort out some of the cross-pollination plants and put them all into the summer house. I'll see you in a bit. As you can see, the plants have got quite a bit bigger since the last time I made a video, and there's quite a bit of dragon's breath chilies on there as well. So as you can see through there, there's quite a few red ones ready to pick, some ripe ones, and also in the far corner over there there's a couple of overripe ones which I haven't had a chance to pick, but there's also some good ones over there. I'll also be picking a few green just to make powders. As you can see, there's a few through there, and to make my mint sauce, which I'll do in another video. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and set up my tripod, and then I'll collect some peppers. So there we go, that's our hoard for today. We'll do another little harvest in a couple of weeks, but these are just for testing the sauce, and then we'll overwinter the plants ready for next season. I'll be taking some of these and drying them out and making some powders out of them, and I'll also be harvesting the seeds from the ripe ones and selling them online. So check out welshchilli.com where I'll be selling the seeds ready for next season. Right, I'll just give you a little look at the tomato plants that I've got, and a little look at the cross-pollination plants that I'm keeping to create new varieties for next year, and then we'll have a look at the summer house in a bit. So in here, in the mini greenhouse, I have my cross-pollination plants. They've grown quite a bit since the last video I made. So there we go, we've got 8 plants altogether, and we'll be using these to cross-pollinate with a dragon's breath chili plants, just to try and create some new varieties. Also here I've got some tomato plants. I've got one beef tomato plant over here, and as you can see down there, there's already one beef tomato growing on it, and over here I've got Elisa Craig tomato plant, and there's actually one tomato growing on this one as well, right there. So what I'll be doing now is taking these into the summer house, as well as the cross-pollination plants, and we'll be putting them by a window. It's getting a bit cold now, so it'll be frost soon at the end of this month, so it'll be great to get them indoors and try and keep them warm. So I'll just give you a quick tour of the summer house, and then I'll be right back. So the summer house is now built. Here we go. Basically, it's split into two. So where you see that wooden piece of wood on the bottom there, that side will be my sister's. I'll be building a wall up there to separate both sides, and then on this side is where I'm going to create the kitchen for creating the hot sauces and the rubs and harvesting the seeds. So obviously I've got a window on my side there, which is in a great location, and I'm going to move my plants, which are now outside, in here, and in about a couple of weeks, 3 weeks, I'll be putting some plastic up and putting the wall up here, and getting some equipment in so I can turn it into a kitchen, just so so I can get the EHO in and see if they'll approve it for making some of my rubs and my sauces. I'll just grab the plants from outside now and bring them inside, and I'll give you a last look at the plants inside. So here we go, all the plants are now inside the summer house by the windows there. I've got two of the tomato plants. What I didn't see earlier was there's actually two tomatoes growing on the on this one here, one there and one just behind the branch there. And over here we've got our cross-pollination plants, so we'll be using them to cross-pollinate to get new species for next year. So there's a Carolina Reaper chocolate there, Carolina Reaper yellow, we've got Armageddon, Komodo dragon, and also a couple of Spanish dulce, just normal peppers. And we'll have a go at cross-pollinating them just to see if we can come up with new varieties. And then so that's it for this video. In the next video I'll probably be showing you how to make some powders out of these peppers by using a dehydrator and a coffee grinder. I'll also be harvesting some seeds so I can sell, so anybody that wants to buy some Dragon's Breath chili seeds for next season can do so online on our store, which is welshchilli.com. And then after that we'll probably do a couple of sauces to try them out, mint sauce and just a normal regular hot sauce using my special barbecue style spice blend. And so that's it for now. We'll see you on the next one. Ta-da! If you like the video, guys, please subscribe. We'll be giving away free prizes after we reach 1,000 subscribers. Please also like and comment. We like to know what you think of our videos. We'll see you on the next video.